Will your wrench no longer stay put? If so, it's time to replace the wrench holder. The wrench holder is a rubber grommet that mounts to the base of the saw. The wrench is inserted into it and is held in place by friction. The holder might wear from use and no longer hold the wrench securely. Because it is rubber, it may harden over time and begin to crack. It can become so brittle that it eventually breaks off of the saw. Replacing the wrench holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The grommet is located on the front of the saw. If the wrench is still installed in it, you'll want to pull it out. Oftentimes, the grommet will get brittle and crumble, but if yours is still in place, you'll want to remove it using a pair of pliers or screwdriver, or maybe both. Just work my way around it, pulling it free from the housing. To make installing the grommet a little easier, I'll apply a small amount of oil to it, so it'll slide through the housing. And now I can install the new tool holder into the housing. I'll use a small screwdriver to help tuck it into the housing. And I'll just reinstall the wrench into the new holder.